Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on the Edward Seaga Highway, or the north-south leg of Highway 2000 as it is sometimes called. So this is the entrance when you're coming from Kingston. This is the Caymanas toll plaza. When the road was originally built, the road was called the north-south leg of Highway 2000. But it was later renamed the Edward Seaga Highway in honor of the former Prime Minister. So some people still refer to it as Highway North-South leg of Highway 2000. Some refer to it as the Edward Seaga Highway. So that's why we call it by two names sometimes. Okay, now the way this highway works is you get a card when you enter the highway, and then when you exit you give the card to the person at the toll plaza or the toll booth, and they will tell you how much to pay. So if we were to go all the way to, okay, this highway runs from Kingston all the way to Ocho Rios, or to be more specific, from Caymanas in St. Catherine to Miami Bay in St. Anne. So you get the card when you enter, and then when you exit, that is where you pay the toll. So it depends on where you exit, that is how much toll you pay. So if we were to exit in Angels, which is the first toll plaza, you would pay like $400 Jamaican, which is like $2.50 US. If we were to go all the way to the end of the highway to Miami Bay, you would probably pay like 3,600 Jamaican, which is like 20 something US, 25 US. Yeah, about that. So that would just give you an idea of what the toll rates are. But this is a very nice road. It has cut the travel time from Kingston to Ocho Rios to 45 minutes. So you can exit in Angels, which will take you into the Boardwalk or to Spanish Town. You can exit in Linstead. Where else is there an exit? There is one in Monique, which is called Unity Valley. And then you can exit in Miami Bay. It's a very nice road. This helps. Look at it. It's a road you'd see in a first world country. Very nice. Jamaica needs more progress like this. Alright guys, so enjoy the drive. Okay, this highway was built by the Chinese China Harbor Engineering Company. No, sorry. This one was built, actually, who built this one? It's either the Chinese or the French company, but I think this one is a Chinese. This one is China Harbor. Yeah, because at the Monique Toll Plaza is like a small plaza. This one was built by the Chinese for sure. So eventually Jamaica will have highways or roads like this connecting every parish in Jamaica. So it's just a matter of time before all these highways intersect with each other. Okay, so here you can see Linstead, Otros, Montego Bay, Angels, Spanish Town. So the first exit is Angels, which will take you to Spanish Town. Okay, so we're going to exit at Angels, but if we were to continue, we'd have this kind of road all the way to Miami Bay, which is in St. Ann. So this toll plaza is called Angels. You would think it would be called Spanish Town, but Angels is a community right on the outskirts of Spanish Town, and it's a very large residential area, a lot of homes. Angels Estate, very popular complex. I think it was built by, well, I had said NHT in a previous video, but somebody responded, commented and said it wasn't built by NHT. So I guess it was a private development, but it's a very nice development. And so this is the Angels area. That's why the toll plaza is called Angels and not Spanish Town. But when we exit here, if we turn left, we're going to Spanish Town. It's probably a minute drive away. And if we turn right, we're going to the Bogwalk Gorge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.